Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change region on Mac. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and then simply go to System Settings. Now here you're gonna have to simply go to your language and privacy tab. So basically you can find that here where it says general, and basically you're gonna have to click on language and region. And then here, as you can see, if we go to region, we can see that I have United States. So you can simply choose by continent. So you have Europe, Africa, Americas, Asia, and Oceania. So simply choose any of these, and then basically this will change your MacBook region. So basically that's all you have to do in order to change region on Mac. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.